cool book. It has lots of recipes like birthday cakes, banana cakes. I don't like bananas.
Can you go back up a bit? Is it good?
I like this one. I believe I'm gonna be able to make it for my brother's birthday. I don't know what kind of icing it is, but I know it's a vanilla cake. If they were very smart, then they wouldn't need their mom's help or dad's. I'd say you'd have to be 10 or 11 to understand.
Okay, that's a good idea.
And I'm 8, so I do not understand everything. Jelly spilled out. Yes, it's amazing. There's like some like sugary stuff, some healthy stuff, some sugary healthy. They should try out the tarts. You have to make a pie crust, a unbaked pie crust, then you just do this. I hope you got that. If not, then pause the video. Buy those for your kids.